Alright, this is how you use the large badge making machine. It's a little bit tricky, so check this out. So first we slide that across, then we get our metal top part and it goes the round side up. Then we get our circular cutout design and we place that in, keeping it horizontal. Then we get our piece of plastic film that goes on top. We slide that across, and then this little piece here, we have to make sure it's in it just moves left and right. Make sure it's in the left position. Then we pull the handle down, and it goes up and magnetized, and it gets lifted up into that area. Then we get our plastic part for the backing, and we put that pin side down to make sure that the pin is sort of the right way up, so that goes in that position, and we have the backside facing up to us, and then we slide that across, move this little bar to the right, so now those bars will be able to go all the way down, press down, and presto, mask made.